So hopefully you guys enjoyed that small edit that Chase and I did of the private track rental. Huge thanks to Chase Laudenbach for putting that on and inviting us out, and huge thanks to Chase Steelman for helping me film, and I threw a quick little edit on it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed some of the cars. I did end up running a personal best in the Tang Stang. So just reset the record, reset my personal best, 851. The mile an hour is down because the car is still boost creeping, but I went 543 at 128 miles an hour. So my previous best in the previous record set by me was 854. Just went 851. So I'm gonna let the car cool off, see if we can get some more mile an hour in it, see if we can get that 840. I'm really chasing that 840. It should have gone faster, but we ran into some boost issues, which I've talked about in a previous video. And the air, I think that day was like 25 to 2800 DA. It was not good air, it was not moon boost air, but hopefully we'll get to some moon boost air here soon. So Tang Stang is behind me. I'm doing some upgrades to it, trying to lose a little bit of weight, trying to fix the boost issues, which you guys will see in the next few videos. So I do have the car jacked up. It's on jack stands right now, and I've had a hell of a time working on it the last couple nights, but I am doing some much needed upgrades to get the car ready for the private track rental that we're doing in Houston first weekend of January. I'm probably gonna try and hit a track from now till then, because like I said, we are putting an AMS1000 boost controller in the car and we are doing CO2. So I don't wanna go all the way down to Houston and try messing with the boost controller. Like, I wanna have the car ready to go a couple weeks prior. So once we get the boost controller, CO2 figured out, and these couple other mods that I'm trying to do the Tang Stang right now, we'll get the car out. We may even just go like 60 foot and 8th mile testing somewhere like Denton or XRP. Get the car tested, get the car ready, and then that way for the private track rental in Houston, we're ready to go. We're ready for some moon boost weather, and hopefully we can go faster. And then we'll put the built motor and see what the car can really do. But I do want to push the record. I don't really care about the record that much for the stock Gen 3 Coyote, but since I have it, I want to push it just a little bit further, because these stock Gen 3 Coyotes can go very fast. And this car has a lot more in it. I just haven't had the best of conditions yet, and we've obviously had a lot of boost controller issues. So hopefully all that's gonna get figured out before we get to Houston, but we'll see you guys on the next video. Like I said, I got a couple videos coming with all the upgrades we're doing. Also, February 29th, if you guys are interested, we are doing another flashlight shootout, Extreme Raceway Park. It is going to be an awesome time. If anyone's interested in sponsoring a class or sponsoring part of the event, or if you want to be a vendor at the event, please email me, davidvanvorst@hotmail.com, or you can message me on Instagram or Facebook, whatever you guys want to do. But if you don't want to sponsor the event or be a vendor, you can also come out. We're going to do tons of racing, big tire, small tire, true street, daily driver, truck, SUV. So there's pretty much a class for everybody. It's heads up drag racing, 8th mile. It's XRP. It's going to be a sticky track, flashlight shootout, no time. It's going to be so much fun. We'll probably bring the Tang Stang out. I probably won't enter a class, but I may do like some test passes or some grudge racing. But with Kevin and I trying to run the event, we don't typically like to race our cars because there's too much going on. We want to make sure the event runs smoothly. So hopefully you guys can make it out to that, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Huge thanks again to Chase Steelman for helping me with the clips, and hopefully you guys enjoyed that edit. But that's gonna do it for today's video. I'll see you guys on the next one.
problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through